Hi traders, welcome to Daily Forex Analysis by Trade with Asim and Sijad. Before I start my analysis, let me clarify one thing. This is my personal view about the market. It's not a trade advice, so be careful when you are trading. Sometimes we are right, sometimes we are wrong. So use your own diligence before you trade. Though we have a long list of news events for tomorrow, but I'm not seeing a very big impact of any news. So the market may move sideways. I'm expecting US dollar to bounce back for tomorrow, and it can carry on a reversal for the next few days or even for the weeks. Though things don't look much in favor of the US dollar, we were waiting for FOMC meeting minutes. Most of the traders were thinking that the dollar will bounce back, but it didn't. If you look at the news events, tomorrow the most important one will be German manufacturing PMI. The forecast looks same. I don't expect much volatility for that. ECB counter of monetary policy meeting will be interesting, and during these hours we will see some bigger spikes up or down, and then after that new home sales for the US dollar. Technical analysis may just put some impact or may bring some changes. On fundamental analysis, I'm not seeing much volatility for the pairs. Let's move to DXY. So after many days of the correction, is just getting ready to bounce back, and more interesting part is like it's bouncing back from 50 moving average. If I can draw Fibonacci retracement levels, let me show you how it's looking on the Fibonacci retracement level. You can see it just bounced back from 0.236 level, and it will be interesting. It's if it can just start going up from here. If it does, then I'm looking at 95.65 level for tomorrow, and if it closes green tomorrow, then it can be a very good indication for the uptrend again. The initial level would be 97.0 for the coming few days, and then it's heading to 98.0 and above. It looks good on the smaller time frames too. On the 4-hour time frame, it's just getting ready to go up, though 100 moving average is a strong resistance level. But if this candlestick closes in green, then it will confirm the start of the bullish trend. Even the 15 minutes time frame, it's looking good. To me, it's just the start of bullish flag, and it's just getting ready to go up from here. Euro USD also looking good. For me, it's a completion of the correction, and from here it's supposed to drop. I had a very good trade in Euro USD. I have closed all my buy trades, and tomorrow in the US session I will wait to short from here. It can be a very good start of a reversal for Euro USD. I'm expecting a drop like at least to 1.11 in the next few days or weeks. So a very good entry. The best thing is you can have a tight stop loss, so you can risk a little bit, and the reward is quite big. On the smaller time frames too, it's looking like it's just getting ready to drop from here. You can see this current candlestick will decide. If it closes in red, then it's supposed to go all the way. On the 15 minutes time frame, even on the 15-minute time frame, it's looking good, and even you can short from here, though it's a bit risky, but you can have a smaller risk for a bigger reward. GBPUSD is also looking good, though I think it's much stronger than EURUSD, but because tomorrow we don't have any news data for the GBP, so it can just follow the trend. The dollar may just continue going up, so Euro USD and GBP USD is supposed to drop. I'm looking at 1.2794 and below. On the other hand, it can uh, try to go to 1.30 on the 4-hour time frame at the moment. Quite confusing. I'm not going to enter either a buy trade or sell trade. I'll wait at least for the next two candles and then we'll be in position to decide. On the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, same story. So unless and until it's above 1500 moving average, I'm not going to trade this. We move to USD CAD pair. USD CAD has dropped a lot. I was expecting a bounce back today from 1.30 level, but so far it is just dropping, and tomorrow I'm expecting the continuation of the trend, but from 1.2960 I would love to go for a long. And if just can show you the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see currently it's on a smaller support level, but around 1.2960 it's a key support area for the USD CAD pair. So right now I think it's better to wait. If it comes down, then it's advisable to go for a long. On the 15-minute time frame, it's also looking like it may just go sideways for a few hours, and then I think it is making a flag and then it will drop. We move to gold, and gold too is looking like it has completed a correction, and right now it's getting ready to drop. I had a very good trade in gold, and I also closed all my buy trades in the gold, and I'm just waiting for the confirmation for the next at least 4 to 5 hours. I will see the market how it goes, and then later I will enter the trade. I'm looking at 1181 for tomorrow. So though at the moment I'm neutral, but after the confirmation, and which is obvious it's going to drop, I will enter the trade. On the smaller time frames too, it's looking like it's right now it's moving in sideways channel. Gold might go up a bit, but around UK session open or in the US session it's supposed to drop all the way. On the 15-minute time frame, it's also looking like just moving sideways actually, and going for smaller correction. We move to Nasdaq 100, and Nasdaq 100 on the daily time frame. I was short on Nasdaq 100 today, but it went up. I was stopped out, and right now it's looking very good for buy trade. I'm targeting 7487.9 for tomorrow. On the 4-hour time frame, it's also looking very good, and I think there is a smaller resistance level, and then after that it's clear until 7487. On 15 minutes time frame, it's also just looking very good, and I think it's a very good uh, level to enter right now. So that's all about our daily analysis. Wishing you best of luck for tomorrow. Take care of yourself and your trades. I will see you with a new video. Take care. Bye.